Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today I am back up at the allotment. It's been an unseasonably dry spell over the last week or two or more actually. So when I got up to the allotment, um, this was yesterday morning, um, all of the beds were very dried out, very warm. So even before I started recording this, I spent about 20 minutes to half an hour giving each of the beds a soak. Um, yeah. The last time I was up here, I realised that a couple of sides of the compost bin were um, what's the word, Martin? Rotten. They were actually rotten and falling apart. Um, So I decided to use the two pallets that were left to reinforce one side of it. Um, but before I did that, I thought I would empty out the compost that was ready. Oh, there you are. Frankie's come to join me. Um, there's a little den. It's one of the shelves at the bottom of my desk. Has his bed in it, so he has a wee den that he can. Hello. Yeah. Um, he can sit while I'm doing work or playing games or whatever, and he also knows that his are above him. Yeah, I know that you know that word. hmm I'm not getting in a staring match with you. Yeah. So this is me emptying the the compost. A couple of wasps have tried to start nests in the compost bin as well as in my shed. Um, so there are a couple of moments here um, where I get a bit of a surprise by a wasp. I also realised just before I started recording this that there is no audio. Um, so where you would get some decent sawing noises and some hose spraying noises, as well as me breathing heavily, I guess. You get none of that. You just get my voiceover and some lovely sunny images of Balburney allotment. Um, so yeah, this video was going to be out um, yesterday or this morning, but I've had a bit of a low few days, low energy. Oh, hello. What are you doing? Oh, never mind the blinkins. Um, yeah, I had a bit of a low energy few days, and doing this work at the plot really took it out of me. I was up there for around 2 hours. Oh, there was the wasp. Uh, uh, yeah. Um, so I was up here for around 2 hours. Um, sawing and digging and watering plants, which doesn't sound like a lot of work, but those of you who have low energy or are neurodivergent may have similar periods in your week or in your day where you just have, oh, there's one of my neighbours. I think that was the way that I said hello to him while I was recording as well. Yeah, so I'd already started cutting this palette before before the video clip, because I didn't realise that it would only take a minute or so to cut through. I'd taken one of these loops, they're metal loops for what's it called? A mesh, a covering for the beds so that birds don't come and take the seedlings. Yep. So the rest of this video is me watering the plants again. This is the second time that I water them during this trip, because the soil it devoured the water, and I did another watering just before I left as well. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a low week, and there's no reason for it. It hasn't been particularly stressful, hasn't been particularly busy. Work has been good. It's just one of those, as I'm sure everyone gets, just low. On the plus side, it is only 5 weeks until Danielle and I go on our anniversary cruise. We got married on the 25th of May last year, and we set off on the cruise on the 22nd of May this year for 2 weeks. So we will be somewhere in Norway, I think, for our anniversary, and then hopping over to Iceland for the start of June. So we may get to see some of Danielle's Icelandic family, which would be nice, with them living over there, us living in Scotland, the rest of Danielle's family's in Ireland. So we've never had the opportunity to go over to Iceland. So this will be our opportunity. So looking forward to that. Yeah. Frankie's currently sitting behind me. It's a shame I don't have the webcam on or another camera. This is literally, yeah, I know you're there. So this is the end of the video. Anyway, enjoy the views of the allotment plot and my tools falling apart. And I will see you all again next week. Thank you.